Okay, fam, this is a different kind of video. This is a cooking video. I know I ain't did no cooking video in a long time. But I seen this lady on TikTok make a Mexican tuna salad. Fam, when I said that stuff looked so good, I said, oh my God, I gotta try it. So I done went out and bought all the ingredients that I need, except for that. I already had that. And so what I got is cilantro. I got a tomato, jalapeno, onion. She had a red onion, but I wasn't finna pay almost $4 for that onion. So, a bag of onions. So, I went with the cheaper. It's still onion. I got 1 lime, 1 can of whole corn. I got 3 cans of the tuna, which I don't think I'm going to use all that, though. And I got some pickled sliced jalapenos. I was out of mayonnaise, so this I go to. I don't care how much this stuff costs. This the only thing my husband would eat, fam. So I went and got this high price Hellman mayonnaise. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wash all my vegetables. And I'm going to chop them up and be back. Okay, fam. I done washed and cut up my lime. I cut up 1 jalapeno. And I cut up the cilantro. The 1 whole onion and the diced tomato. I cut that up. And I forgot to tell you, you're going to need some sour cream also. But I'm going to throw a little twist in here. Bam! I'm going to add me some eggs. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Because what is tuna salad without eggs? Come on now. Okay, guys. I didn't open up my can of tuna. I have drained it. And, see, can I get y'all? Sorry about that. I'm breaking up the tuna because we don't want no chunks in there. My eggs are cooked. And I have peeled those, ran them up under some cold water. It makes it easier for the shell to come off. So what I'm doing now is breaking this tuna up. Y'all see it? Get all them big chunks out of it. All right, y'all see it? All right, let me get my vegetables. And my hands are clean, fam. It's all clean. So, move this out the way. I have a small kitchen, guys. Okay, I'm going to pour all these in there. I'm going to set that off to the side. I'm going to put them off in there. Okay, I'm going to put that in the sink. Alright, this is how it's looking right now. I'm finna dump this corn right here. Well, the water off of it. And rinse it off and I'll be right back. Okay, I done rinsed the corn off and I got it in here. I'm gonna mix it up. Oh my gosh, guys, fam. When I say this smells so good, OMG. This how it's looking now. Okay, I'm going to take this lime and I'm going to squeeze it. Give it that little citrus. And my hands are clean. I need me a little juice, or what you call them thing? Juice squeezer. I'm going to have to invest in that. I'm gonna squeeze this one, the other half. Oh, that lime smells so good and fresh. Okay. All right. In the top of this can right here, pour a little bit of this juice in here and some of these pickle slice jalapenos. Got carrots. Cut them up. Really, I'm just chopping them, and you can cut them up any kind of way. And I made sure I took that acid reflux medicine. So, baby, I got jalapeno, pickled jalapenos. Woo! Jalapeno juice. I'm gonna cut one more of these little jalapenos up in here. And that's gonna be it. I'm gonna say that. I might put that on some chicken. Alright, I'm gonna set that to the side. Now, I am finna throw a twist in here. I'm finna put me some eggs in here. Because how you gonna have tuna salad without eggs? How? And this is so fresh, fam. I love me a good tuna salad with some crackers. OMG. Crawl up on that couch. Woo! Watch me a good Western. And call it a day. It ain't no particular way that I'm cutting them up. I just want to make sure every bite there's an egg on there. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hand. This is how it's looking now. Y'all see it? Okay, I'm gonna put me some seasoning on mine. She put a little salt and pepper. Put a little salt. Put a little black pepper. And bam! I'm gonna put a little Creole on mine. Alright. And some complete. Your food ain't seasoned if you ain't sneezing. Okay, I got my sour cream. I'm mixing this up. Oh, it looks so good. I gotta try it, fam. Let me try a little bit. Put a little bit on my hand. Oh my God. Fam, it don't even need no type of mayonnaise or nothing. I haven't even put that in there yet. I'm gonna put like a scoop. Put that much of sour cream in on. Alright, mix it up. You want to talk about fresh? Oh my gosh, that tastes good. Where have you been all my life? This can be a meal. Do you hear me? Less than $10 for a family, fam. On them nights you don't want to cook, money running low, baby. Okay, let me rinse my spoon off so I can put my mayonnaise in there. Okay, I done rinsed my spoon. Now I'm gonna put my mayonnaise in there. I give it 2 big tablespoons. Mix this bad boy up. Ooh, it looks good. It's creamy. Move that out the way so y'all can see it. Ooh, don't they look good? Look at it, fam. Ooh, ooh. Let's see how it tastes. We're gonna see how that bad boy tastes. Because it tasted good without it. The mayonnaise and the sour cream. Cheers. Y'all need to try that. It got the right kind of kick to it. It's not too spicy. You can taste the lime. Oh my God, fam, that tastes so good. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. I can't even talk. I'm trying to save for everybody. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm.